in the Jesus, put the bass in the bass, all the ladies, just the ladies, yes, just the ladies, just the ladies, all the ladies in the house, Yo, check this out. I know we ain't dealing with the best sound system in the world, but I ain't gonna go hop on y'all and just leave like that. How many of y'all came out here today to have a good time? I want to know how many of y'all came out here to have a good time today. It's all good. We'll check this off. For those who don't know who I am, I'm going to go by the name of Dub C from the West Side Connect Gang. And we're going to have fun. Check it out. Hey, yo, Jones, don't hide up here, but it's time to let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Talk when you can. Let it rain. Let it rain. Make it rain. What you doing? You a sad talk when you can. It ain't my fault you want to see walk. And can't bang when you get a cheap talk, nigga. You can put the ball short. Every can't see the other strike on his ball court. Street got a lot with the 40 clock. Got the blood, make it see your top. The West Clock and next on. Ain't no California love, there's California love. I'm the thunder, I'm the fight. It's a return of 3 teams. You know what the game, deal fire. Don't see a thing, if you don't look at the boots, I'm the pen of pickers. You don't take it on your busters. In the short board, cheat up like hell of burgers. The whole fucking thing ain't getting straight tested. Fresh up a food, feeling like a fish. It's a band down swinging for the number 1 clip. Let it rain, make it rain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain.